Currently today, when you're trying to get a very specific torque value on a fastener, you're going to be using a calibrated torque wrench. Okay, this is a click style. There's also digital torque wrenches that are out there as well. But the issue is there's a lot of inefficiencies with using a click style torque wrench. You have to sit here and crank 6, 7, 10 times to get a specific torque value for that fastener. Okay. In addition to that, you have a lot of repetitive motion that goes with that. So, yeah, fine if you're doing that once, maybe a week, but if you're doing that every single day for 10, 20, 30, 40 years, that's going to start having a lot of wear and tear on your body. Okay. So, one of the ways that users are trying to increase that productivity is using a power tool, an impact wrench, a ratchet, impact driver, etc. But what's the issue using a power tool like this to get precise torque? You're probably inconsistency. You have no idea how much torque you're actually applying to that fastener. Okay, so what users are switching to, and what inspectors are enforcing, is actually using a torque wrench like this. And now again, a lot of time to actually get to that torque value and a lot of repetitive motion. So we went back and said, what can we do to improve this process? What can we do to make life easier, more productive for our users? And what I'm excited to introduce you guys to is the world's first torque wrench with a motor. Okay, this is the M12 Fuel digital torque wrench with one key. What we're able to do is set our target torque. So right now I'm going to set it to 60 foot-pounds. You pull the trigger, and the tool will automatically stop prior to your torque value, and then you turn it like a normal torque wrench to get the actual torque that you're trying to apply. So we're driving productivity, and you only have to do one turn to get to your target torque with this product. Okay, let's do a quick demo. All right, so again, my target torque is 60 foot-pounds. Runs it short of the target torque value, and then I run it down. And you get a green notification that I reached that target torque value that I was trying to hit. All right, now what happens if I overshoot it? All right, if I overshoot it, you also get a notification that I over-torqued that fastener, and that you should go back, remove that fastener, put a new one in, and go back to torquing down that bolt. Okay, so we're driving productivity. We're 50% faster than the current way that users are installing and torquing down bolts today. Now, productivity is great. If we can get a job done faster, that's awesome. But if you're not accurate, who cares? That's why you're using this product. I'm excited to let you guys know that we're getting up to 2% accuracy out of this tool. All right, that is meeting or exceeding a lot of the torque wrenches that are out there in the market today. Now, the final piece of this product is we've had a lot of questions and a lot of feedback on how can I show an inspector or show an owner of every single bolt that I torqued and the actual torque that I apply. What we're able to do through one key is, again, run it down, hit the torque value. Once I get that torque value, I hit this button, it saves it to the tool. I connect my phone to the tool, automatically uploads all my data. I can now download a report of every single bolt that I torque down, so I can pass that along to the inspector, the QA/QC guy, or the owner of the vehicle, of the piece of equipment that you might be working on, etc. Okay.
Did you say the max torque?
Good question. So 3/8 and a half-inch drive. The 3/8 will be 10 to 100 foot-pounds. The half-inch will go from 10 to 150 foot-pounds. Okay. Price will be $599 for the bare tool, $749 for the kit, launching in November. Okay.
What's the kit got other than batteries?
2 batteries and the charger.
Case or bag?
It'll be a blow molded case. The bare tool will also have a blow molded case to protect the precision device that this is. Okay. It does have to be recalibrated. So once a year, just like every other torque wrench, this is a torque wrench. So you still have to calibrate it once a year, but we are setting ourselves up to do it in-house to provide faster turnaround times that we've been hearing you are not getting in the field today. Okay. Now, some of the other unique features about this product. This is a foot-pound torque wrench. Well, what if my spec is in inch-pounds? All right, now I have to do math. I know there aren't many of us that are really good at math, okay? We're taking that out of the equation. I wasn't looking at anyone in particular. All right, what we're able to do is we're able to provide 4 different units of measure: foot-pounds, inch-pounds, newton-meters, and kilogram-centimeters to take all the guesswork and math out of the equation. So it was foot-pounds, now it's inch-pounds with this tool. You will also get a paper copy of the calibration right out of the box, but if you lose it, which many people do, your calibration is also loaded on the tool so you can show the inspector if they ask, okay? So that's the high level piece of this tool. There's a lot more that goes into this, but again, I'm excited to introduce you guys to the M12 Fuel digital torque wrench with one key, launching in November. Any questions? Yes? We're targeting 7 days.